उसमें आ जाते हैं। ओके, तो जितने भी बॉयज दिख रहे हैं साथ, तो इसका मतलब जो बॉय नाम है ये किसका है, ये कॉमन है, सबका कॉमन नाम है, तो इसलिए इसको कहेंगे कॉमन नाउन। डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड? ठीक है। और अगर मैं आपको, ओके, एंड इफ आई कॉल यू बाय योर नेम, इफ आई से अभिनव सिंह इज सिटिंग हियर, तो दैट इज हिज स्पेशल नेम, दैट इज हिज स्पेशल नेम। डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड? वो एक ही है। टॉक अबाउट अभिनव, अभिनव इज जस्ट वन। ओके, सो अभिनव इज हिज स्पेशल नेम। Fine. Now, if I say Manav, Manav is only one. Manav is his special name. Understood? So, did you understand what is common and what is special? Common means something that is shared by many, जो बहुत सारे लोगों का हो सकता है. Okay? Like if I say bottle, if you can see me, I have a bottle in my hand. If I say bottle, it means, it can mean this bottle or it can mean this another green bottle that I am showing. आपके घर में भी जो बॉटल है उसको भी आप बॉटल बोलते होगे, isn't it? हम we are 26-27 people here and everybody must be having bottle. सबके घर में बॉटल होगी ना? It's not special. So it is a common noun.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand?
Yes,
Common noun means which is same for everyone. Suppose I say chair. मेरी चेयर को भी मैं चेयर बोलती हूँ. The chair I am sitting on is a chair. The chair you are sitting on, आपके घर में जो चेयर होगी उसको you will also, you too must be calling it chair. Somebody else's chair will also be a chair. तो chair is chair. कोई भी चेयर हो उसका what is the common name? Same name है उसका, chair. Okay? So such words are called common nouns. Even if I say, suppose fruits.
आपकी आवाज अटक पटक के आ रही.
Yeah, you sit at some such place where you get a good network. Others can hear me? Others can hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So that means,
Yes.
okay, fine. You can just show a thumbs up like this, okay? So did you understand? Common means same. Like if I say fruits, okay, I'm saying a sentence and you just let me know what is noun in it, okay? Mango is a fruit. Mango is a fruit. What is the noun here?
Mango. Mango. Mango.
Okay. Mango is a noun.
Mango. Mango here.
Is there any more noun? एक और भी noun हो सकता है उसमें?
Fruit.
Fruit. There are? Okay, please don't repeat. Okay. So, fruit is also a noun. Mango is also a noun. Now, you have identified the noun. Fine. Now, fruit is a common noun or a special noun? Fruit.
Common noun.
Common noun. Common noun because there are many fruits that we have. Common noun. Okay, so you have understood fruit is same name for many fruits, so it is common noun. What about mango? Mango is a common noun or a special noun?
Special noun. Special noun. Special noun.
Okay, 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute. See, I am drawing something you can see. Okay, just wait. I'll draw something. What is this?
Mango.
What is this? Second one. And what is this? How many mangoes? Now tell me, mango is a common name or a special name? Common name. 1 minute. Listen. बेटा mute yourself, Parthseni and others. अब मेरी बात सुनो, ठीक है? नाउ देखो, इस मैंगो का नाम भी मैंगो है. दिस इज ऑल्सो मैंगो, दिस इज ऑल्सो मैंगो. तो मैंगो इज ऑल्सो अ कॉमन नेम. ओके, मेरे घर के मैंगो को भी आई कॉल मैंगो. मैंगो एट योर हाउस इज ऑल्सो मैंगो. मैंगो एट दीक्षा के घर का मैंगो भी मैंगो होगा. अनिका के घर का मैंगो भी मैंगो होगा, राइट? तो वी कॉल इट मैंगो एवरीवेयर. देयर आर सो मेनी मैंगोज. और सबका नाम क्या है? व्हाट इज देयर नेम? व्हाट इज देयर नेम? मैंगो. Okay, fine, beta. So mango is also a common name. Understood? Fruit is common name and mango is also common name. Name of any animal. किसी भी एनिमल का नाम इसी तरह से, like suppose if I say dog is a faithful animal. Here dog is a name. यहाँ पर dog भी name है, animal भी name है, and both of them are common names क्योंकि किसी dog का कोई special name नहीं है. But if you have a dog at your house, okay, suppose I have a pet dog at my house. हो सकता है मेरे घर में एक pet dog है and I call him Jackie. Okay? Okay? If I call my dog Jackie, Jackie is my pet dog. इसमें Jackie क्या हो गया? Now Jackie is only one. आई मेरी बात समझ में? Yes. If we give, okay, if we give any special name, अगर हम किसी अपने एनिमल को कोई स्पेशल नेम दे देते हैं, then it becomes its proper noun. Okay? Otherwise, वो dog है तो that is a common name only. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, fine, children. So, now what will we do? Now we are going to note down common names from this picture. इस picture में there are many things shown. Nobody will shout. Only the person whom I ask will answer. Okay? Others will not answer because that creates a lot of disturbance also. बहुत disturbance हो जाता है और फिर हमको मुश्किल हो जाती है. Fine. So now the picture is shown, and in the picture you can see so many things, right? You have to find and tell the names of nouns here. Can you hear me? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So देखो, in the picture many things are shown. बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. You have to tell their names. But one condition is, ध्यान से मेरी एक बात सुनना. Leave the word sun, because sun is not a common noun. How many suns are there? कितने sun हैं? There is only one sun. There is only one sun. So sun is not a common name. Sun is the special name. So sun को छोड़ देंगे हम. Okay? इतनी बात समझ आ गई आपको? अच्छा, एक छोटी सी बात और भी आपको याद रखनी होगी. One more thing. ये बहुत important है. आप देखो, when you write your name, हम अपना नाम लिखते हैं तो starting letter कैसा होता है? How is the starting letter?
My name is capital.
Capital.
My name is Akshita Sagar.
Then write your capital. Okay.
Capital.
Okay, beta. Mute yourself for a minute. Mute it. Yes, good. So when we write our name, we start with the capital letter. When we write India, I is capital. When we write Dehradun, D is capital. So proper nouns start with the,
लेटर कैपिटल आता है.
हमेशा नहीं आता बेटा. If you will write umbrella, you will not write capital. Okay? Okay? So what is the scene? प्रॉपर नाउन्स जो स्पेशल नेम्स होते हैं दे स्टार्ट विद द कैपिटल लेटर.
Ma'am, common noun will start with the small letter.
ओके. कॉमन नाउन्स तो कॉमन नेम्स होते हैं, दे आर नॉट स्पेशल, सो दे स्टार्ट विद द स्मॉल लेटर. याद रहेगा, कॉमन नाउन्स स्टार्ट विद द स्मॉल लेटर एंड स्पेशल नेम्स या प्रॉपर नाउन्स जिसको कहते हैं प्रॉपर नाउन, ओके, द स्पेशल नेम्स स्टार्ट विद द कैपिटल लेटर. फाइन. So now we are going to write down the common names in this picture. One by one I will ask and others should not interrupt beta. Okay. I'll give you a chance everyone. Okay. Ankush Pawar will tell the first thing in the picture. Beta, 3 things are already there. Try not to repeat. You will not repeat. Okay. Like one name is written ball. What is the second word? Ankush, can you read? What is this?
Yes, madam.
What is this? Yes, Ankush. What is it written? ये जहां मैं circle कर रही हूँ. What is this? Can you read?
मैम दिखाई नहीं दे रहा.
बेटा आप can't you see the screen? Screen नहीं दिख रही है आपको?
नहीं. No,
बेटा
ma'am.
प्रेजेंट आप मुझको देख रहे होगे. आप मेरा फोटो हटा के अनपिन करो तो you will see the screen. Okay. Okay. Parth Seni will read. Parth Seni, what is the second word written? Abhinav Singh will read. Abhinav, beta, what is the second word?
Cloud.
Cloud. Cloud. Cloud is the common name. Next, third word. Abhiyansh Kumar will read. Abhiyansh, beta.
Umbrella.
Umbrella. Very good. Okay. So, similarly, you can leave these names. Iske alawa, think of other names from the picture. Yes, Adrika. First one. देखो पिक्चर में. Yes.
Tent house.
Tent. Good. One by one. Okay. Just a minute, beta. One by one. You said tent, and we will write Tent. Tent here. Starting letter will be small because tent is a common name. Okay. Good. You can mute yourself now. Tanya will tell the next name from the picture.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, tell name of something from the picture. You can see so many. Dog. Very good. So we can write dog in the next blank.
D-O-G, dog.
D-O-G, dog. Okay. Gauri Pant will tell the next name. Gauri Pant.
Ma'am, who's...
Yes.
Ma'am, who's...
Juice. Very good. Juice is there kept on the table. So you can say juice. Juice is also name of a drink. Okay. किसी भी चीज का नाम मैंने बोला था. Any name is a common noun. Very good, Gauri. Okay.
Ma'am, Diksha Bhandari.
Yes, Diksha Bhandari. The next name.
Chair.
Yes.
Chair.
Chair. Very good. You can write chair also. Chair is the name of. Okay. CHAIR. Chair. Okay, now you can mute yourself. I'll ask somebody else. हाँ, शौर्य सिंह. Yes, you can say. Yes, Shorya Singh. Beta, you must say, may I speak? May I answer, ma'am? Say that. Bolo, Shorya. Say. How should you ask?
Ma'am, tree. Ma'am, tree.
Tree. T-R-E-E. Tree. मैं बोलूँ कोई भी नहीं बोलेगा. Okay. This is English class. So try to speak in English. Okay. Yes. Tree. Good. Anika will tell the next word. Anika.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell the next word.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, umbrella.
Tell the next word. Any name of anything from the picture. Manvi, can you tell? Name of anything from the picture. Any one thing.
Ma'am, may I read? Ma'am.
Yes, Shaurya Rawat. Not read, you have to tell. Okay, tell name of any one thing. Yes, Shaurya, tell. You can tell.
Ma'am, may I speak? Ma'am, please.
Pig. Where is the pig, beta? Shaurya, where is the pig?
Ma'am, cycle. Ma'am,
Tanya, beta, your turn. It's not your turn. Please don't disturb others. Okay. Yes, Shivansh, you were saying something. Shivansh.
Ma'am, horse.
Horse. Yes, you can say. Is it a horse? Actually, okay, we can say horse. Okay. Although
Ma'am,
it's...
Nitya Bhandari.
नहीं, मैं बताऊं वाला बिल्कुल नहीं बताएगा. मैंने I have said. The one who says मैं बताऊं will not बताओ. Okay.
Ma'am, I can skip.
Yes, Abhinav. Abhinav, you want to say? Bicycle. Okay, so we can write bicycle. So with that, it is over. We have named so many things, and सब ध्यान देंगे बेटा. Listen, look towards the screen. Just a minute, beta. Keep yourself on mute. Okay. You just see all starting letters are.
Ma'am, small. Ma'am,
Small.
small.
Because they are all common nouns. Okay. All starting letters are small because they are all common nouns. Fine. तो हमने क्या पढ़ा? Common noun is the common name of many things. It can be anything. Okay. And so it starts with a small letter. Fine. Common noun is clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we come to proper noun. Okay, good. Now we come to proper noun. Proper noun is a special name. Proper noun होता है किसी का भी special name. As I said, your name, or it may be my name, or anybody's name. Okay, proper noun can be name of anyone. It can be anyone's special name. And proper, because it is a special name, क्योंकि वो special होता है, तो it must get some special treatment. So, हाँ, proper nouns start with a capital letter. Okay, proper nouns start with a capital letter. Like in the example, it is given person. When we write Mr. Jackson, Mr. Cassie. Okay, when we write your name or my name or your father's name or my father's name. Okay, we start with a capital letter. Always remember. Okay, place. It can be name of a place also. If I say country, country is common. There are many countries. Okay, बहुत सारी countries हैं, बहुत सारे देश हैं. But if I say Japan, there is only one Japan. So J will be capital. Did you understand? Yes. Okay. So this is all that we have to study today. Remember this much. Okay. And this is the work that you will do in your copy. You will revise what all we studied. हमने जो कुछ भी पढ़ा इसको आप रिवाइज करोगे. And this work you will do in your copy. Did you understand, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So this is all that we have studied.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
This
ma'am.
is